Hello friends, today's look is hot sari look with a basic crop top and leggings. Okay, if you want you can wear petticoat also and blouse, but I'm here wearing leggings with a crop top. And now we are draping sari in a different look, not in a usual way, but it will give a hot look. Okay, so first we have to make pleats of the sari, and we have to make half of the pleats from the half of the sari. And now we have to tuck in our sari in our leggings. You need to make sure the leggings should be tight. It needs to be good, nicely tied. And yeah, now you need to just tuck in these pleats which you have made. I have not made properly, but yeah, it will give a little messy kind of look, but still a hot look and a good look. Okay, so here I've tucked in the plates. Now we have to secure it with safety pin. For the security, you always have to secure it, okay, with safety pin. So yeah, here I am securing it with safety pin. It will make you sure that your sari is safe. Okay, and sari is a outfit, you can just make a customized look from sari. Okay, you can just be glamorous, hot, even decent look. Okay, so this is a hot look which is with minimalistic things. Now you have to take the rest of the sari and just round it from your back. Okay, a little bit you can just tie it to your leggings, or you can just round it up like this only. Now you have to take your pallu like this, and you have to just put it uh, like a straight, जो सीधा पल्लू की साड़ी वैसे आपको रखना है. अगर आप चाहें तो इसका प्लेट्स बना करके जैसे हम नॉर्मल साड़ी रखते हैं तो वैसे भी रख सकते हैं, तो ये एक और लुक क्रिएट हो जाएगा. मैंने पर ये लुक क्रिएट नहीं किया है, मैंने ये सामने वाला लुक क्रिएट किया है. अगर आप इस तरह से प्लीट्स बनाते हैं प्रॉपर्ली एंड उनको टाइड अप करके इस तरह से आप रखते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस लगेगा. और भी तो यहाँ से आपको बहुत अच्छा लुक आएगा, फैशनेबल. एंड अदरवाइज you can just go for the look which I have created, which is like just take the sari from back of your shoulder to the front. Okay, jo that pallu. Okay, now you just need to tuck in the side one, to secure it safely and give a nice look. And from back side it will look like this. Okay, it look good, very good. Okay, now you can just see the sides also, it will look glamorous. And yeah, I'm not making you show your leggings, but if you want you can just show that. Otherwise you can just make the sari fall from your side, which you have done your pallu to be fall like this, fall free, then the look will be like this. And yeah, it's not that kind of look which I want. For that look you just need to take your pallu and just make the pleats of the pallu, but not like proper pleats, but little kind of a messy pleats would look more glamorous, and more good look will be created by you. And now you have to take a belt. You can take a broad belt or any kind of belt which just suits your sari color, and just a tip, just tie your belt on above the pallu. Okay, so it will secure your pallu also from the fall. And yeah, if you want you can just pin up your pallu also to your crop top from the upper side, but I want this kind of look, so I just got this look like this only. So it's kind of effortless draping with the minimal things. And if you are a beginner and if you want to style a sari in a different way from the usual one, then you can just go and try this look. And yeah, it's a proper look. You just need to wear the earrings or your this mangtika and the earrings. Okay, so and if you want to wear something in neck, then you can just wear in that. And now you can just ready to pose and ready to go. Okay, so here you have to take care of the prints of the sari. Now you just carry your handbag and become a boss lady. Now here this look is by blouse difference. Okay, if you don't want to take a crop top like this one which I have gone, these are the photos which are after the look photos, so you can see how much the look is glamorous. Okay, so you can just create this look, and if you like, then please follow my channel and like and comment. Thank you.